Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. Today we are going to see how can we add image rotation effect in our WordPress website. To add this effect we need two plugins, MyQA Add-ons and MyQA Add-ons Pro. I have installed both plugin for my website. Let's see how I have did it. So I have opened a page with Elementor Page Builder. Then I create a container and I drag and drop two image widget from here, this from here image widget, and I drop this two image here. One image is this one, and I have added minus margin to it, and for this one also I have added minus margin to it, and for this container I have added padding top. So this is how it's look like. So if I click on this image and click on content, we can see here MA options. So I repeat again, we need two plugins, MyQA Add-ons and MyQA Add-ons Pro, and I have already installed both plugins. So when we have MyQA Add-on Pro activate, then we can see here this option, MA option, and here we can see that rotate option. So by default it will be turned off, so I have already turned it on. And also we can see that here there is a duration, so when we increase our duration, this image will load slower, and when we decrease its value it will load faster. So right now I have enabled this rotate feature and set this duration 20 and direction is clockwise. If I click on publish, so you can see that here it's rotating. This is how it works. And if I decrease its value, for an example make it 15 pixel and make it anti-clockwise and click on publish button, so you can see that it's loading anti-clockwise and it's loading little bit faster. So this is how actually image rotation effect works. Thanks for watching.